Today I'm going to talk what you can do to prevent the ill effects of air pollutions on everyone. My name is Dr. Rajesh Chawla, Senior Consultant Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. Air pollution is a global phenomenon, but more so in our country, particularly in the capital city of Delhi. The constructions have stopped, but what have you done? You are a responsible citizen. You should participate. Don't take your vehicle out if it is really not required. Don't venture out if it is really not needed. Go in groups. Use the public transport. Be a responsible citizen. And then if you are venturing out, you wear a mask so that you can prevent the ill effects of air pollution on you. At least you can do this to prevent and control the ill effects of air pollution in our population at large. Thank you very much.